My name is Panganti Prabhakar, School Assistant Biology, ZPHS Panaparthi, Mahbub Mandal, Siddipet District, Telangana. I would like to explain the most effective online assessment tool I have used in my school. The most effective online assessment tool I have used is a Google form at docsgoogle.com forms. In this one, the Google form sign in, I got this one. So in my view, an assessment tool should not be restricted to measure the knowledge only, but it should give some information, ideas, clues to improve the students of knowledge. The student has to come out with additional knowledge in the subject which we provide in the question paper. So I prepared many number of Google Forms here. So I thought Google Form is the best method which suited to my idea. I prepared these number of question papers for 9th and 10th students. So by this tool, we may construct a beautiful, effective, interesting question paper to the student so that the student should be ignited or motivated to attempt more tests and develops his or knowledge. So attempting after completion of a test, the student immediately comes to know his score. So their confidence level should be improved. So development confidence leads to improvement of all around development or all in aspects. I got responses from our students through WhatsApp groups, 9th and 10th students. And this is from 9th English medium students. This is the 9th, 10th Telugu medium students. So we can construct the questions, different type of questions by this tool, with short answer question, paragraph or multiple choice, many number of types of questions we can frame from this one. And after formation of this question, so we can assess the conceptual understanding levels of the student, and we can provide some information to the conceptual understanding. For example, lysosomes are known as suicidal bags of the cell. Why? So I have given some reasons here. They contain digestive or destructive enzymes. They digest the damaged cells like this. And we can ask the making hypothesis type of questions. So what happens if plasma membrane are ruptured or breaks? So the cytoplasm comes out of the cell, the cell wall collapses, and the cell will die. So experimentation or field experience skill. So we did some experiments in laboratory, and whatever the observations we observed in the lab, once again we are recalling from here. Shivatejasri put 1 or 2 drops of dilute solution on the peel of Rio leaf on the slide. So what was her observation? So water present inside the Rio leaf cell come out, and it resulted in the shrinking of the cytoplasm along with the cell membrane. So information skill, I have given some information through this diagram and asked this question. Identify the fluid filled sac like structure occupying this empty space. Like this communication through diagrams, so appreciation type questions, so application of knowledge in daily life situations. This tool is also more useful to the teacher as well. We can assess the validity, reliability, and question paper degree of difficulty level. We can understand the positive and negative strengths of our teaching learning process so that we can improve teaching methods of approaches as well. So I got this one, the points scored versus total number of students, and we can assess the degree of difficulty of question paper, and number of students we get, we will also know from this one. And we can assess the degree of difficulty level, what type of question we asked, how the students felt that question. By this analysis, we can know. And this analysis reveals the points scored by the students and the total number of students. So this is very, very useful method. Thank you.